Welcome back, YouTube. Here I am, Jesse. What's going on? And we're with Eternal Universal Minds. And so, here we go. The continuation to this wonderful engine. So, what I figured, as it is my first time doing heads on this type of car, I was able to set free this front timing chain cover. As you guys can tell now, it actually removed also from the bottom. Well, there's about 22 bolts to take out all on these areas right here on the outer edges, and there's 4 inside here. There's one down here, there's one down there, there's one down there, there's one inside here. I mean, they're all over the place. You don't have to take the air conditioning bracket off, but you do have to unscrew the one that goes here for the power steering pump. And then also to remove the alternator as well and put it to the side. Well, let me show you guys. This is no easy task, and I understand why they charge almost $2,500 to almost $3,000 to do a head job for this car. But I ended up finding out because I was having a hard time on this area here to be able to set free this thing here. I mean, I was kind of like prying it a little bit on top, but I kept noticing that it would move only to this point right here, and the bottom part was still acting like there was bolts. So I ended up buying the Haynes car repair guide, and as you guys hopefully can see up in here, there's one bolt right here in the corner in the oil pan. Well, also I had to remove the oil pan. So for one, drain all the oil. I took all the bolts out, which are all right here, and took all of them out. And it wasn't an easy task either to pull this pan out, so you really got to kind of knock inside of it in order for one to take it out with a screwdriver and then pry it out. But we got one bolt in there in the corner, and then we got one bolt up in that area in the other corner, and there's also a bolt which I'm not really sure if I needed to take it out or not, but there's a bolt right in that area there. That's part of that. So I took those bolts out, and I was successful in making this loose. So now I can proceed on with the next move, and that's now taking the timing chain off and taking the inner sprockets out and everything like that, which I will be showing you guys as well. So